Hello everyone. In today's video we will change the noisy lifters of the Mitsubishi Evolution 8 like for the 4G63 engine. So we will go through the steps, bleeding them, and let's see the results after. So I just give it a slight tilt from here to open it. The screwdriver. Thing, if you are trying to pull the lifter and it's hitting the cam, just put the car in 5th gear and push it until you free up the cam. So there is no need to touch the cams from here. Just put it in 5th gear and push the car and let somebody help you, and you will be able to get out the lifter. You have to wear your gloves. So new lifters, when they come by, they come like, okay, this one that I see, they come not bleeded. So what you will have to do is get a small Allen key or a needle, okay, not a needle, like small Allen key or something, and try to get the oil out. See, now they are bleeded. So you have to do this for all the valves before you put them in the car. Okay, now we'll have to push the car again in order to get this in. Okay, I'll line up the rocker, keep it inside, line it with this valve spring. I'll use the rubber here from my wrench, so, and then I'm going to hit it with a rubber hammer, and that's it. So this is one of the jobs that it takes time at the beginning, but later once you get used to it, it's become easy, just a matter of time. So be patient at the beginning. Thank you for watching.